If you want to delete your GoDaddy Airo website and you want to do it the right way, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll also show you what to expect after you submit the request so you don't get stuck wondering whether anything actually happened. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's start with the first step. Log into your GoDaddy account using the email and password associated with the website you want to remove. Once you're signed in, you should land on your GoDaddy dashboard. This is where you can manage your products, billing, and website services all from one place. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name. This opens a menu with several account options. From that menu, select Renewals and Billing. This is an important step because GoDaddy handles product removal through the billing and renewals section, not directly from the website editor itself. Now, you'll be taken to the renewals and billing page. Here, look carefully for the website you want to delete. If you have multiple products or websites in your account, take your time and double check that you've selected the correct one. This part matters because once you start the deletion process, you want to make sure you're removing the right website and not something else you still need. After you've found the correct website entry, click the drop-down arrow next to that product. A list of options will appear. From that list, choose Delete. This tells GoDaddy that you want to begin the removal process for that website. Once you click Delete, GoDaddy will usually ask you to confirm your choice. You may see a checkbox that asks you to acknowledge the request. Check that box carefully since it confirms that you understand what you're doing. After that, click Send Email. This is how GoDaddy starts the final verification step. Now the next part happens through your email inbox. Open the personal email account connected to your GoDaddy profile and look for a message from GoDaddy. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder, promotions tab, or any other filtered folder in your inbox. Sometimes confirmation emails can land there instead of the main inbox. When you find the email, open it and look for the confirmation link or button that says, Yes, I want to delete. Click that to finalize the request. This is the step that officially verifies you want the website removed. After that, your website removal request is finalized. Depending on your account settings and GoDaddy's processing time, it may not disappear instantly, so give it a little time to fully process. If you go back into your account right away, it may still show the product for a short period while the request completes in the background. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a GoDaddy Airo website using the billing and confirmation process. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.